What's up, people of YouTube? Now, these old two-strokes, they're well famous for their power bands, and people are always trying to modify their power bands to get more power. Well, today we're going to have a look at the Kawasaki, which is over here. I was filming the Yamaha because YouTube likes to pick out bright colours as a thumbnail, so you'll probably get an RD400 thumbnail. But here's the Kawasaki. Now then, if you want to get more power, you need to improve the size of the power band. First off, you need to actually locate the power band. Well, I can't see it in there, so let's have a little look for it over here. Where is it? Why is that stuck on there then? That shouldn't be. I should say that shouldn't be stuck on there because there's no bolts holding it together. No power band in there. I can't see a power band in there either. This must have a very, very narrow power band if it's that hard to find. Is it in there? No, there's no power band in there. There's absolutely nothing of anything in there, so pointless in looking for the power band in there. It only kind of leads one place, really. Well, we haven't looked in here yet. Where is this power band? Let's have a look. Ah, there you are. So, once you've found where your power band is, all you need to do to get more power is just put a wider one back in. So, we'll just pop that back in there. Put that back on there. And that's it. Instant two-stroke tuning. Later.